Ladies and gentlemen, welcome again to yet another episode. And today, by the way, guys, we are talking about a very interesting topic. Today, we are going to talk about hormone imbalances. Have you ever asked yourself, either you are a man or a lady, if you are a man, have you ever asked yourself why your wife is having problems with her menstrual cycles? Every time and then she is having menstrual flow repeatedly, maybe heavy or such. As a lady, are you bothered with your menstrual cycle? Today, we are here to discuss about it. Before we continue with this episode, guys, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please take a minute or so, subscribe, and tap the bell so that next time I produce a video, YouTube will automatically notify you. My names are Dr. Cyrus, and I am a general physician. Now, guys, let's start by what causes this abnormal flow of your menstrual cycles and maybe changes in menstrual cycle. Don't forget, it is one of the things and one of the conditions that have been disturbing most of the ladies, by the way, and it has become a serious thing, because actually most of the ladies even don't know what's the problem. But some of the medical practitioners tend to abuse most of the medicine when they are giving women. And you find that instead now of it becoming better, the problem even worsens. Have you ever wondered what causes this? Before we go to what causes this abnormal menstrual cycles, can we first of all know when would you know or discuss when would you know that you have an hormonal imbalances? The first thing you'll note, and it is very common, it is absence of menstrual cycles. You've ever found women, someone is telling you, or someone comes to the facility with a complaint of having 1 year, 2 years, or even some 3 years, they have never received a menstrual cycle, even once. Or if they receive, they get retro and maybe some drops, and it's done. Others, during menstrual cycle, they find themselves having too much pain, too much unbearable pain. They have to be taken to the hospital for a painkiller injection so that they can maybe have relief. Others will find themselves having a very heavy menstrual cycle. Instead of the normal way, they find when they check on their flow, it's very heavy, very, very heavy. And also others get irregular. Maybe this month, next month, no menstrual cycle. So those are some of the things that will tell you that you have a problem. Others will even get problem with receiving, although that one is another topic that we are going to talk about in fertility. Now, those are the signs that will tell you that you have a problem with hormone, and that is what we call hormone imbalance. What causes this hormone imbalance? Funny enough, people don't know that having improper diet can cause hormonal imbalance. There are some people who eat very unhealthy diet. Some people take too much sugars, too much junky food. They don't take enough fruits. They don't take enough balanced diet and all that. That is also a cause of hormonal imbalance. Another cause of hormonal imbalance, which has been very, very, very common, is lack of too much use of hormone-based family planning. There are some people who use maybe these pills, emergency pills, P2 or Postino 2. Others use this injection, 3 months injection, Depo-Provera. Others use another hormonal family planning. This the injection, 3-year injection. This is called implant or implanon. There are also the other one, 5 years implanon. Those are also some of the main common causes of hormonal imbalances that has been causing these problems. So you find after you've been having normal menstrual cycles, but the moment you start using this or the injection or the pills, you find now your menstrual cycles have changed completely. Another thing is pregnancy. You might find someone has been having normal menstrual cycle, but after getting married, and for example, or maybe after getting pregnant and receiving the kid, which is a blessing, you find now from there they will have problem with hormones. They will also have problem with receiving their period. You find someone telling you she has like maybe a whole year or even 2 years without receiving the monthly period. So those are some of the common factors and common problems that have been there. Did you know, to be precise, there are women who have been having problem with acne. Acne, these pimples, especially on the face, sometimes on the chest, and sometimes on the upper back. It is also a sign of hormone imbalance. Guys, we are running. I know some people never knew that, and I can tell you it has been a very common problem, skin problem that has been affecting ladies. And someone can even maybe some people thought that maybe they changed maybe lotions or maybe whatever they used to apply on their faces. No, it might be a hormonal imbalance. So guys, we are going to keep running. So to be honest with you guys, the only thing you can do is to seek for medical advices. Call your doctor, let your doctor give you the proper medication, and make sure you guys that you keep taking proper food. Stop eating too much junky food, stop eating too much fatty food, because also sometimes you'll find these people who have big bodies, if you have too much fat in your body, it also can cause hormonal imbalance, although in a very minor it has a very minor impact. But you need to keep taking enough food, enough balanced food, take more fruits, take vegetables, take enough water, hydrate yourself, keep hydrated guys, okay? So I think for today we are going to talk up to there. We are going to discuss other things in the coming episodes. We still have too much things to run, guys. We have too much things to run, and we are going to tackle all those one by one, guys. Thank you very much for listening to me. I am again Dr. Cyrus, and please guys remember to follow me on TikTok at Dr. Cyrus Irungu Nyaga, or on my YouTube, Cyrus Nyaga Media. Please guys, make sure you subscribe so that you can keep running. And if guys you have questions, post there on the comment section. Call my number for those who have numbers. Ask questions and I will give you answers, guys. If you cannot do that, please reach out to your your doctors, because I know you have your personal doctors. And let guys keep healthy. Health is wealth. Thank you very much, guys. I love you very much. Next time we are going to have doctors coming as our guests, and we are going also to learn from other doctors, although I will try. Thank you very much, guys. I love you very much. Let's meet on another coming episode. We have too much to run, guys. Thank you very much.